Now this is the day we took our cross-plane R1 up to the Hibernia area. We were experimenting with some different camera mounts. Some of them proved to be fine, some of them proved to be not what I had in mind, but it was a good day to experiment, and it was a wonderful weather day. And as always, anytime you can get out of the shop, get out on the open road on the R1, it's a lot better than being in Rikers Island, that's for sure. Now this is a 2009 cross-plane R1. It's the last year Yamaha made this model without traction control, so it tends to be an exciting bike to ride from time to time, and today's no exception. Now, the Hibernia area is not real happy when you come through on a loud bike. At this time we were doing this, we had the exhaust system that I made, a lot louder than stock. Oh, we weren't creating a lot of new friends up there today. Now, needless to say, there's some beautiful, beautiful homes and properties and farms up in this area. It makes it such a nice place to take a ride. It's a beautiful area. Well, my goal was to get footage from all of the mounts that are on the bike. I think there's 5 different mounts, and go home and see if I could edit up a fun video. Now it was a fun day moving the camera around from the front to the back to the side, the lower on a swing arm there's a mount, and of course all the footage, it's a little different from every mount. And over the years I enjoyed making various camera mounts for all the bikes, and I arrived at the conclusion after years of testing, I like the one that mounts to the jacket the best, and the least the one for the helmet. Some people have told me they like the footage looking back at the road behind, some in the front, but I think most of the people enjoy the jacket mounts that make you feel like you're actually driving a motorcycle. And the problem I've run into in the past is some of them, the vibration was a problem when you mount the handlebars and such, but eventually you find the one you like the best. I've always enjoyed experimenting with the GoPros, and before I had GoPros, and thank you Najat, of course, for the GoPro donation, I had the, I call them the fake GoPros that are about $15 from Amazon. Maybe they're 20 now. I've had fun experimenting with the cameras. I've had fun making the mounts. I've enjoyed, of course, going on all the rides on all the various bikes. But in the end, the thing that I learned the most about the camera mounts is they can't vibrate. If you have resonant vibration, no matter where the mount is, I've tried mounting them to various places where there was vibration. Anytime it was on the swing arm, there was always some vibration I had to deal with. And I never liked having it on a helmet at all. Anytime I had it on a helmet, I guess my neck is a little, the ball bearings are a little loose or something. The footage always looked like I was drunk or doing something that I couldn't hold my head steady enough. If you're younger, you probably don't have that problem. And here you're looking at the last of the rear mount of the cameras. This one proved to be one of the ones I liked the most, and I used that quite a bit. But overall, what I learned from all the experimenting and from talking to a lot of people that shared their opinions is the jacket mount camera seemed to work best for the way I was trying to make the videos. But it was fun doing all these experiments. And now what I have is I really have a bucket full of camera mounts that fit all the bikes. I probably have 30 or 40 mounts that I made, and they're documented on the channel on various titles of GoPro mount and whatever. But the thing to learn from all of it is you got to try all of them and see which one you like the best. Just like riding a motorcycle, it's always best if you make the decision what works for you the best. In my case, I love all of these old bikes that I have in my humble collection. So if you enjoyed the video, I hope you share it with your friends. And of course, I hope, most of all, that we'll see you tomorrow. And thanks again for watching.